Hey, so today I'm going to work on this washing machine. I'm getting an odor coming out of the inside of it, and I believe there's a bunch of gunk right down in here. Looks pretty gross. So I'm going to first lift this portion off here, and all you do is down here, you just lift this up a little bit. There's some tabs right there. You just take a flathead screwdriver and you poke it in there, and it pushes that tab in, and then you can lift that up. So here's the little tab I was talking about. Focus here. So you just push that in and this portion lifts up, and you do the same thing on this side here. There it goes. That portion all lifts up, and then you can access the drum to your washing machine. Back, it's helpful if you tape this lid down first. That way it doesn't slam back on you. But I have some overhead cabinetry here, so it's not going to go back very far. So once you've raised the lid, you've got these tabs right here. You can use the same flathead screwdriver to just pry these tabs out of the little pins here, and just work your way all around the drum. Okay, once you're finished undoing all the tabs, just lift this off, and then that will give you access to the drum. And you can see how gross that is. It's all caked on under there. That's where the smell comes from. It's really bad right here. And it's equally as gross all on here and all down in here. So this part here is just in case that you're a beginner, you've never actually removed a washing machine from your house yourself. It's very easy to do. Obviously pull it away from the wall first and unplug it. This here is your drain line, so this just sets in here like that. Just go ahead and pull that out, and I just hook it over top of this here. This is your hot and your cold. This is the on-off, so mine is actually in the off position. If your valve is like this, all you do is simply pull this forward or push it back. I've already loosened these, and all you do is you use a pair of pliers like this, and then you just loosen these up and pull them off, and that's really all there is to it. You're at it. Obviously, you probably want to clean all this off. This just gathers a bunch of lint, dust from being in the laundry room, and everything back here. It gets pretty nasty, so just take the time, clean it all up, make it look good before you put the washing machine back in. So I got the washer outside now, and I'm going to douse this down with some Simple Green. I got my pressure washer there. I've covered the motor down there with a plastic bag. I don't know if you can see that. And the electrical parts here just covered up with electrical plastic bag as well. Alright, I just finished dousing it with some Simple Green. I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes. Here's the ring as well. Got that setting. So I'll let that sit for 3 or 4 or 5 minutes or so, and then I'll hit it with a pressure washer. So here's the after result. Just brought it back inside after pressure washing it. And there's the drum. Inside of the drum. So we're going to set the ring back on, line up all the tabs, and work our way around and snap everything back into place. This tab on the front is a little bit larger than the others, so that's kind of your starting point right there. Everything's on. And I'll let this make sure that everything dries. Let's let this air dry before I plug it back in. I'll remove all the bags off the electrical components down there and off the motor. Well, there you have it. Nice clean washing machine. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.